Hi guys, today I am going to unbox and give you an overview of this Tissot Seastar 1000 chronograph watch, and let's just begin. So this is the packaging in which the box came in. You can see the Tissot logo here. So let me pull out the box. So this is the box. It's quite a premium packaging, and on the front you can see the Tissot logo and their tagline, and then we have a different Tissot logo timeline here and in the back also. So we can see how the logo looked in the previous years. So let's begin the unboxing. So this is the box. We have a T and a plus symbol here which denotes it's Swiss made, and T for Tissot. This is a red and black box, and here you can see the brand name embossed on this red cover. Tissot Swiss watches since 1853. It's quite the premium packaging, I suppose. In the back we have the Tissot branding, and there are some books. So let's see what these books are. And these are the books which we get. So this is the book which is named as The Story of a Watch Company, and let me just show you. So this is the story of this brand. It tells you how did the brand begin in 1853, and we have some photos also which shows the previous building and headquarter of the brand. Then we have another small book, and it shows various brands with their exact serial numbers. You can see here, and these are the brand ambassador of the watch brand. We have a letter of thanks from the president. So basically these are the books you are going to get if you purchase this. Now let's unbox this watch. And here it is. It is green in color. You can see, and here we have a cloth. The Tissot brand is embossed on this cloth. Then we have this side opening which contains some booklets. Let me just remove this watch for a second. So what we have here is a quick start guide of this watch, and this guide is provided in various different languages. You can see here there is nothing else on this compartment, so let's just keep it back. And we do have one more compartment. Let's see what do we have here. So This is the 2-year international warranty. Now this is the watch. So you can see here, this is the watch, and it has a silver casing, a silver dial with a rotating bezel, black colored. It has a crown and 2 pushers on the right side, a silver stainless steel strap. The Tissot logo is embossed here. So you can see this is a chronographic watch. It has 300 mm water resistance and 30 bar of atmospheric resistance. This is a Swiss made watch, and this bezel is a rotating one, and it rotates anti-clockwise. So it's a very premium watch in looks. You can see and the combination of this black and green dial with this silver metal strap looks quite beautiful. This rotating bezel rotates anti-clockwise, you can see here. And since this watch is water resistant, therefore to use these pushers or this crown we have to unscrew it. Let me just show you how to unscrew it. So there is one tick, and then you open it. There is another tick, and then the watch resets itself, and now I can change the date or time. There's also need to be unscrewed before I can push them. So right now they are in the completely locked position, so I cannot push them. So in order to use them, I have to rotate this little screw. Now they are unscrewed, and now I can push them. Let me just show you the back. So this is the back, and here you can see the serial number of this watch. Let me just peel off this cover. So this is the logo of the series, the Seastar. See, it's quite heavy watch, and you can see the T is embossed here. It's carved here, and the watch looks absolutely amazing. Let me show you my other watches also and see how it compares. So at first I had this Casio watch. It is not a chronographic watch, but it does indicate the day of the week and the date and time. It's quite a cheap watch I had bought. Then I have this Fossil. It's a chronographic watch, but it's also quite cheap. It has a mineral glass here, and it also has 2 pushers and 1 crown. Then I have this Titan chronographic watch. It also has a mineral glass and this leather strap, which looks quite beautiful with this gold color combination. It's a beautiful dial, I must say. This watch looks amazing in front of all these watches I previously had. So let me just show you how it looks on the hand. So this is the watch, and it looks quite beautiful. My hand is quite thin, so the watch is looking a bit too large on my hand. Actually it's a 45 dial, so it's already quite big, and it's supposed to be meant for wider arms. My arm is not actually quite wide enough, but still the watch looks amazing. It feels quite premium. So that's all. Thank you for watching my channel. If you have any query regarding this, please comment, and please like if you loved this video. Thank you.